How do new developers learn JavaScript code bundling? If you are a new developer curious about how to learn JavaScript code bundling, you are in the right place. Let's break down the process step by step. First, it is important to understand that bundling is the act of combining multiple JavaScript source files into one or more output files. This is done to make it easier for browsers to load your web pages efficiently. By reducing the number of hypertext transfer protocol requests, you can improve the performance of your website. New developers often start by learning about the entry point file, which is usually named something like index.javascript. This file serves as the starting point for the bundler to trace all imported files and their dependencies. Typically, source files are organized in a folder called source, and the bundled output is placed in a separate folder like distribution or build. Next, learners will explore how bundlers create a dependency graph. This graph is formed by parsing the entry file and analyzing all imported modules recursively. It maps out the relationships among all files, allowing the bundler to resolve dependencies and avoid naming conflicts. Understanding how this dependency resolution works is key to mastering bundling. After mapping dependencies, developers study how bundlers serialize or pack the code. This means combining all necessary modules into a single bundle file that browsers can execute. This step often involves transforming the code to ensure it works well in different environments and optimizing it for production. Practical learning usually involves using popular bundling tools such as Webpack, Rollup, or Parcel. Beginners often follow tutorials to set up configuration files. These files specify entry points, output locations, and module formats like common JavaScript or ECMAScript modules. They run commands, such as Node Package Manager scripts, to generate bundles and test them in browsers. Through hands-on projects, new developers learn to configure bundlers to handle various assets. They apply plugins and loaders for tasks like transpiling modern JavaScript or processing cascading style sheets. Features like hot module replacement can also be enabled for faster development. In summary, new developers learn JavaScript code bundling by starting with the concept of combining multiple files, understanding dependency graphs, and practicing with bundling tools. This foundational knowledge is essential for mastering JavaScript and its role in modern web development.